Where do I start? Adrian was maybe 4 when the girls, when Louise and Nicola came along. At this stage we've got an abundance of enjoyment from playing the football and matches, and we're never at home.
One of my classmates' fathers was over the under-12 team, so he asked to invite us up training, and just been involved since then all the way up through the age groups.
We started off in under 10 first and then kind of worked our way up through the ranks. So I'd say the guts of 23 years now at this stage, yeah. So it's a big part of our lives.
I came back into coaching when Adrian was about 9 or 10. And then when the girls were about 7, 8, I started coming, bringing those to training then as well. And then I was asked to start giving a hand.
We've been playing for Galway probably since under 12. Then the next year, the under 12 was scrapped and it was only under 14. And we were only 12 at the time, but Mom rang the county manager asking could we go in because we were so young at the time. And then since that, we got kind of kept on.
I got involved because I ended up bringing them to matches, and I was involved at under 14, under 16 and minor county.
Our on the bhíon agus an son ina dheoig chlé ceannis fel na man na bliana fiche ceathair.
We had got new management in for the year. We got relegated in the league, so I think everybody thought that a championship final was going to be well outside of our radar as well. So even getting to the final and beating Cork in the semi-final was, you know, that was a massive win for us, and it's just unfortunate the way that the final panned out. Going back to our first All-Ireland that we would have won with the club, Dad was the manager, Adrian, our brother, was involved. He was doing stats as well that year, so he was part of the management.
It was really enjoyable. I suppose it's probably something personally that I have an interest in. Just on the other side, I was getting insight into the ladies and how they perform and the lengths they go to and the dedication of them was really interesting. Yeah, I would have learned a lot.
Agus díochar sé á sí cíine bhar fáide eile agus Harris se trasnán Willie Ward the son écht pointe machacha ní mór an daoine a thug sean chud.
I don't think making history was ever on our mind. It was always, what's the next challenge? Who are we playing the next day? What do we need to do to win that game?
Don Google blin as a Céilanta, Champini na Galva, Champini Chonachta, agus Champini Ille Éireananta.
People think of the 5 in a row as probably we've only just, I suppose, been at that stage for the last 5 years, but it's probably been building since 2013, which is 12 years ago now.
We're no different to any other family around the country, I'd imagine. It's a lovely moment and a lovely recognition.
It's great to be recognised just for the work, just for working itself, regardless of whether you have success or not. You know, to see people that actually do things well for years and years.